My name is Midgett. I am the Senior Manager for Operations. I have been with Unirac for 6 years, and I currently oversee operations, shipping, inventory, and safety and facilities. I help support the push of US content here at Unirac by making sure that the communications and the changes up at the leadership level gets passed down to the folks out on the operations floor. So the supervisors, the managers, and those folks out there, any changes, any whims that we may be hearing of a customer changing over and what that means in megawatts and what that means in pieces and how we can quickly convert to that and what that means out there on the floor, any tools that need to be brought back up, any extrusions that need to be brought in to help support those demands. Communication is key. So we have a supply chain meeting every morning, and in that meeting, the supply chain operations meets. We talk about orders that are due that day, what is past due, and just coordinating and making sure that we have what we need. We are communicating any shortages to the orders entries team, and then if they have any surprises or changes or upticks in US content, they provide that information as soon as possible to the supply chain so we can react and get that product completed in time to meet the customer's demand. We do have some changes with the rise in US content with a different type of material and adding some new tools and equipment to support that and make it quicker, if you will. But we operate how we operate, and we are efficient because of how we operate. So it's just including these changes into it and making sure that it still hits not only the US content, but also the rest of the customers as well. I would say the most rewarding is watching the orders come in. It's exciting. You're starting to see the change, so that's a visualization to me to say, man, it's coming to life.